Real numbers, page number 7, exercise 1.1, question number 3. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? First sentence is, an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. So what is given? Given that number of army contingent member is equal to 616 members. Also, number of army band members is 32 members. Here question is, what is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So to find the maximum number of columns in which they can march. Here they means army contingent members and army band members. Now what's the condition? The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. That's the condition, right? As per this condition, here our aim is to divide both these members equally. We can say that here our aim is to divide 616 and 32 equally. How can we divide them equally? 616 and 32 both are even numbers, isn't it now? We can say that 2 is a factor of both 616 and so by doing this division we can divide these two members equally. But can we do that? No, because our question is to find the maximum number of columns. What's the meaning of this maximum number of columns? Means you want to divide these two members equally with maximum number of members in each column. That is, here you want to find out the highest factor of 616 and 32. That is HCF of 616 and 32. You can write the second condition as with maximum number of members in each column. So here our aim is to divide the 616 members and 32 members equally in columns with maximum number of members in each column. Here our aim is to divide 616 members and 32 members in columns with maximum number of members in each column. That is to find out the HCF of 616, 32. Since 616 is greater than 32, you can divide 616 by 32. 32 into 1, 32. 2 minus 11 means 11 minus 2 is 9. 5 minus 3, 2. 296. 9. 32 into 9 is 288. Now 16 minus 8, remainder 8. So by using Euclid division algorithm, you can write it as 616 is equal to 32. Divide 32 into 19 plus 8, remainder. Okay, 616 is equal to 32 into 19 plus 8. First step, consider 32, dividend as 32 and divisor as 8. 32 divided by 8, 4. 8 fours are 32. Remainder 0. So 32, dividend is equal to, apply division algorithm, that is dividend is equal to divisor 8 into 4 plus remainder 0. Here remainder is 0. So you can say that HCF of 616, 32 equal to 8. Therefore, they can march in. Question is to find out the maximum number of columns in which they can march. So we can say that therefore they can march in 8 columns each. And if you are having any doubt in this question, please drop it in the comment box. If you like my class, please like and share it with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe.